Today I will be reviewing this Okmee car bench seat cover, which helps to protect the back seats of your car from dogs and spills. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Okay, so here it is. This is a 100% waterproof, a scratch-proof, non-slip car seat cover, which helps to protect the back seats of your car from any water, dog hair, and all that such things. So it comes in this nice little plastic packaging, and here I am just slipping it out. And it also comes with some dog car seat harnesses, so you can hook up your dog right to the seat. So just installing it is pretty easy, pretty much drapes over the seats, and it has some little buckles that you place around the headrests, which I'll show in a second, that help to just secure it in place and make sure that the thing doesn't slip. Now, I'll link this product in the description so you can take a look at it for yourself. It's not extremely expensive, and it works pretty well. So as you can see, you just tighten it up, and it fits pretty nicely on the back seats, just like this. It covers the entire seat width. Not only that, it also has a little elastic band on the bottom, which helps to keep the bottom of the car seat cover nice and tight up against the seat, so it doesn't slip off while anyone's sitting on it, and it makes it nice and tidy. It also has these little pockets on the side, as you can see. Now, basically, it also has these little car seat holders thingies. You can poke them into the car seat, and it helps to make sure that the seat cover doesn't shift as well. Once that's in, it's pretty tidy, and it looks pretty decent in the car. Now, as you can see, from here, there's little Velcro compartments so the seat belts could slip through. You could get somebody buckled in, as well as there is a center armrest slot hole, which you could zip down, and you can get the center armrest down, and that helps if you have a car with this feature. If not, then it just remains zipped up, and it gives the same amount of protection. And if you want this thing down all the way so it's not flopping all over the place, you can pretty much roll it up, and there's these little buttons, as you can see right there and right there, and you could snap it together, and it will stay down, snapped together, up and out of the way, so you could move up and down the seat armrest, center armrest, up and back, and if you need that. And obviously, it zips right back up pretty easily and gets up and out of the way. And I will show you in a second how well it fits along the bottom of the seats, because I thought this was a pretty unique feature. It makes sure that anything on your legs or your dog, if it scoots up against the seat, it won't get a bunch of hair and fur everywhere. So as I mentioned, there's a few pockets on the sides, and right here you can see how it tucks up nicely along the bottom of the seat so no hair gets on it. Now here's the included dog seat belts, and the way it works is you could take off this little Velcro, and you could plop down the little seatbelt adapter into the seatbelt and close up the Velcro, and there you go. You have a seatbelt for your dog. So if you ever get into a car accident, as long as you're making sure the dog is wearing a harness and not a collar, it should help the dog from getting injured. And not only that, you could also put passengers back here, obviously, because the seatbelts still work with the little Velcro pass-throughs, as you can see right there. And once that is snapped in, you are good to go. A passenger could sit back there very comfortably. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like when I put my dog back here. I'm just going to show you putting in the little doggy seatbelt. You could un-Velcro that little piece, slip in the buckle right into the little receptacles on the seats right there, and I will get my dog to jump up into the car and hook him up. And I didn't take him for a drive in this video, but I have taken him on a drive, and it really helps to keep the dog in the back seat. Not only that, he helps keep the pet hair and any mud or dirt he might track in from the park pretty clean and at bay. So here we go. I'm just hooking him up right to the bench seat, and he looks a little bit frightened in this video because there's some lightning going on in the background, but rest assured he was okay during a car ride. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is a great product. I highly suggest it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below with any suggestions you might have for future videos. And also, please subscribe if you want to receive any content like this in the future. Thank you.